Welcome to Kami Academy, Chat in English. Are you talking to someone else? Why are you replying me late? I think you don't want to talk. Don't make me fool. I text you but you didn't reply. I am gonna call you. I was about to text you. Convey my message to him. May I know your name? Have we ever talked before? I wanna talk to you. Is there anything special? What's the problem now? Signals are poor. Make a phone call. What time then? Not at this time. Can I send voice note? Whose number is this? You can call me anytime. Talk to me properly.